Hey everyone, welcome back to another Unity tutorial. In today's video, we are going to fix that annoying pink texture issue you might see in your Unity project and also learn how to build your project so you can finally play your game or share it with others. Let's dive in. First, we will need to create a new Unity project. Open Unity Hub, click New Project, select 3D template and give your project a name. Then click Create. Wait for the editor to load your new project. Once the editor loads, we will import an asset. The assets we will be using is fantasy worlds, which will be used as a demo scene for this project. The link for the assets is available in description as well. In Unity Editor, go to Window menu, select Package Manager, select My Assets from the drop-down menu, select the assets from the list, then click the Download and Import button for the assets to import it to your project. Simply click the Import button on Import Unity Package window. When you click the Import button, the assets will be added to your project. After the asset is imported, close the Package Manager window. To use the demo scene, go to the project window, select the assets from the right-hand panel and choose one of the demo scene. Double-click on the demo scene to load it to your scene. A import Unity package will appear. Simply click Import. As you can see, our scene currently loads with a pink texture. The pink texture usually happens when the Unity can't find the correct shader for a material, often due to missing shaders or wrong rendering pipeline. To fix this, we need to install the Universal Render pipeline. Go to the Windows menu, select Package Manager, select Unity Registry from the drop-down menu. Search for Pipeline and select Universal RP and then click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Close the Package Manager window after the installation is complete. Again, go to the Windows menu. Now select Rendering, then Rendering Pipeline Converter. A Rendering Pipeline Converter window will appear. Select Rendering Settings and Material Upgrade. Then click Initialize Converters. Click Convert Assets and Initialize and Convert. Once that's done, Unity will convert all your materials and the pink textures should disappear. With the texture issue fixed, let's build the project. First, check your build settings. Go to the File, Build Settings. Here, choose your platform, either PC, Mac and Linux standalone. Click Build after choosing a location to save your build. Unity will compile everything and soon you will have a fully functional build of your game. After the build completes, Unity will create a folder with your executable file. Navigate to the build folder and launch your game. Test it to make sure everything looks good and textures are rendering properly. And that's it. You have fixed the pink texture issue and built your Unity project. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.